Stop wasting your time on random Telegram earn systems. Every day, people join new bots, new crypto apps, new easy money channels, and most of them just lose time or money because they don't understand how the system works. Maybe you know P2P trading. Buy cheaper, sell higher, make small profit. A lot of people started with that. And of course, a lot of this moved to Binance. People started trading crypto there, watching signals, trying different bots and systems. After that, betting signal experts became huge too, especially for games and platforms like OneWin. Then crypto airdrops exploded. Everybody started farming free tokens and joining early projects. Notcoin was everywhere. People were tapping every day trying to earn something from Telegram. Then Hamster Combat came and millions of people joined because they thought it could become the next big thing. So today, I want to test another Telegram system that people talk about right now. Okay, I'm opening the bot. First look, the interface actually looks pretty clean and simple. You can already see different buttons, stats, and signals here. Let's check how this thing really works. So today I'm going to choose something like a 23 bombs just for test. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This is only testing my own purposes, and I don't encourage anyone to repeat after me, because events can change at any moment. So after this, I need to just adjust some important settings. This settings helps to identify me for this bot, so I should be carefully here because any misclicks will destroy connection and it will not work, guys. And the last one here is 164, okay? So I write it here. And nice, it's loading. I hope that it's final loading. So, oh sure, I forgot about this one. So I need to open this game again, close this one. And click this blue button and green one. Okay, here I will choose something like this. And I need to copy this one. Correct. And I open this app just to paste it. Okay, so I will choose this here, send, and let me just paste it here. Okay, after this, I need to fill this one. I click here next and continue. Okay, loading for now. And yeah, it's processing. Let's try to reload it, guys. Reload page. And nothing for now, guys. Okay, let's try to reopen this game. So I need to close it, close anyway. And after this, I click here, open this game. So yeah, I already got it, guys. That's good. Okay, without any extra words, let me just start, guys. And finally, I got it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I need to just fill this one. Okay, something like this. So I need to click here again. 23, okay. After this, I click this blue button and let's go. Here we go. And boom! And boom! Oh my God, this is crazy. This is speechless, guys. Wow. Okay, guys, it is insane. It really shows how it behaves. So let me just click this blue button, guys. It's really crazy. Wow. It's really crazy. Wow. So I chose this and I'm filling this one. Something like this. And I go further to this app just to copy it. So I copy it and go back. Paste it here. Oh my God. Paste and let's go. Nice, it's processing. Let's just wait for this, guys. Guys, don't try to win here too much because this game can apply anti-fraud system. Okay, let me try to reload it and nothing for now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's been a while. I got a message about request. Oh my goodness, did you see that? There is no freaking way, guys. Just look at this. It is really crazy, guys. It was Alan. See ya.